So today we're gonna take a look at the EDX versus your most requested IEM to compare it with the VK4. So they're both in similar price ranges. Also, both are dynamic drivers and both are, your IEM kind of design. So of course, it would be interesting which one is for you. Of course, from my initial unboxing, I mentioned that the EDX has a little bit more shimmer on top, but of course, yes, it will be up to your preference. Of course, if you want to get either of these, I'm gonna link it down in the description below. If you want to get one, use my links. It will help out the channel a lot. So let's start the sound test now.
Make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced.